I mean, we have 11 kilometers to go from here.
11 kilometers.
Yeah, then we have 22 shaft on the 76 meters
Above sea level. Wow.
Where we calculate on feet, it's 5,200 feet from here.
Okay. Does this place see foreign visitors like tourists often?
Yeah.
Okay. There's waterfall.
Yeah, there's waterfall.
Wow. Okay, so this the presidential where the chopper.
Yeah, do land.
The presidential chopper do land.
Yeah, the president is coming up.
Okay, will the president take this route?
Yeah, if he wants to hike.
Okay, if he wants to hike.
Yeah, but if he doesn't want to hike, they'll drive around that point we came.
Okay.
Then this side of it is the presidential villa, like I said. The wood you are seeing
Then
here,
this is the presidential villa.
yeah, the wood you are seeing here, they were imported from Finland.
Okay, these woods used in building the presidential villa, they were all imported from Finland.
Yeah.
Okay.
The glasses you are seeing,
Yes.
they are all bulletproof. The inner part of it is bulletproof.
Bulletproof.
Yeah, the first of all use bulletproof equipment in building it before you see it. Then they cover all those woods. So those
Okay.
woods you are seeing now is just for formality.
Okay.
It's not woods. The inner part of it is not woods.
No. Okay, so you said yesterday that we are how many feet above sea level again?
5,000. Sorry,
No problem.
5,200 feet.
5,200 feet.
Yeah, from the ground to the top.
Wow.
When you calculate on feet, it's 5,200. But when you calculate on meters, it's 1,576 meters above sea level.
Okay.
You know, this place, if you go closer there, you see that they shot it.
Yes.
Okay,
so this mountain villa was commissioned by former President of Nigeria, His Excellency Olusegun Obasanjo.
Yeah. And when we go, when we see further, we see that they shot it. He tested it to be sure if it was bulletproof. Yeah.
Okay. So the glasses are all bulletproof glasses. Penetrate through these glasses, you're saying?
Yeah, you're right. We have the presidential seat out here. Is what I want us to see.
So you say this is the presidential seat out.
Yeah.
Where the president can come
Yeah.
over there. Wow, this is so amazing. So we have things like this in Nigeria. So what are you looking for abroad? You're going to Greece, going to Santorini. We have so many beautiful things here in Nigeria.
Now it's part of the road. is a presidential sit-out.
Wow.
Is his senatorial zone?
This place is mad and crazy, man. But no need to go to Greece, no need to go to all these European countries. This is mad, man. Okay, you can see my view from over there. Okay, this is another section of the Obudu Cattle Ranch tour, and this is it say welcome to Betchev Nature Reserve. So we are going to show you around the nature reserve we have over here, and I guess this is the walkway to the nature reserve. So you can see what is written on top there. It says welcome to Betchev Nature Reserve, Obudu Plateau, because of course we are on top of the plateau. So you can see there are a whole lot of activities that can be done here. Okay, what does this say? It says Leventis 3 platform canopy walkway. It's not only in Lagos State that we have a canopy walkway. There's a canopy walkway here in Calabar, in Obudu Cattle Ranch. And they say the Fern Tree Grove and then Monkey Face View. Wow, that's going to be interesting. So we are going to the canopy walkway. Okay.
You see there is our tribe here. The language is speaking is called Becheve.
Okay, you said a tribe is living here?
Yeah, no, our tribe here.
Okay.
This is Obudu Mantle.
Okay.
That Becheve you saw there.
Yes. Okay.
Canopy walkway is where the 2005 Gold Ultimate Search was once held.
Okay, 2005 Gold Ultimate Search. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. 2005.
So this one is not all that. It's not all that long.
Okay.
60 meters long.
This is the canopy walkway.
60 meters long.
60 meters long.
25.5 meters high.
25.5 meters high.
Yeah, it can carry 60 people at a stretch.
It can carry 60 people at a stretch. Yeah. So this is where we're about to climb right now. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, we are on top the canopy walkway. We are actually climbing the canopy walkway. 60 people can go at a stretch. This canopy walkway can carry 60 people at a time. Wow. This is wonderful. Wow. This is wonderful. So as you can see us, we are climbing the canopy walkway. Man, it's fun being here. This is Calabar. This is not Lagos State, Nigeria. This is Calabar. So as you're going to Lagos State to enjoy, to see so many beautiful things over there, there are also beautiful things over here. As you can see, we are atop the canopy walkway. Yeah. This is the canopy walk, and we just got to this end. It was scary, but a nice experience. A beautiful one at that. She's the only woman among us. and you can see somebody is already up. So guys, finally we are at the highest point of the canopy walkway here in Obudu Cattle Ranch. Wow. Wow. It was scary. But beautiful, you know. So formerly this was how the road in Obudu Cattle Ranch was before the one-time governor of Cross River State, you know, came and developed the entire place. And right now we are going over to Grotto Mini Falls. So as you can see on the signboard, there's written "Welcome to Grotto Mini Falls." Now this is the walkway leading to the Grotto Mini Falls. So we are going to move on and show you what it's like. Man, Africa is beautiful. Africa is blessed. Everything we need to develop Africa, this beautiful continent, is available to us. We can hear the sound of the waterfall from here already. This is Obudu Cattle Ranch Resort, located in Cross River State, in Obudu local government. Wow. So you can see what nature has blessed the people of Calabar with. I really hope they appreciate what nature has given them, because most states don't have this and people have to travel down here just to have a view of this beautiful gift of nature. Okay, people can take their baths here. Wow. So you can see huge stones. These are rocky environments. Rocky environments. Hey.